Baba's ways are indeed miraculous and often beyond our comprehension. He blesses his devotees and works in their lives in the most unexpected and perfect ways. Shirdi Sai Baba Satsang YouTube channel is a living example of his divine intervention. This channel has been running without interruptions due to Baba's blessings, guidance, and miracles. Om Sai Ram, welcome to Shirdi Sai Baba Satsang. In today's episode, I would like to share some extraordinary miracles of Baba that have played a vital role in the success and continuity of our channel. My spiritual journey with Baba began over 40 years ago, influenced by my friends and colleagues. Over the years, I have experienced countless miracles of Baba during my visits to Shirdi in daily life. One life changing moment occurred when I could not read even a single page of Sri Sai Satcharita despite my deep desire to do so. I prayed to Baba daily, asking for his blessings to help me start reading the sacred text. One night, Baba appeared to me in a dream, calling me toward him and disappearing. From that day onward, I felt an intense pull toward Sri Sai Satcharita and began reading it daily without fail. That moment marked a significant turning point in my spiritual journey. Baba's grace helped me read Sri Sai Satcharita and guided me to study other sacred books written by his devotees. Later, Baba inspired me to start this channel. Though I initially launched it in April 2023, it did not progress as I had hoped. Through my son, Baba conveyed the message to relaunch the channel on Vijayadashmi in October 2023. Despite his busy schedule, my son helped me with the technical aspects, and by Baba's grace, the channel has been running smoothly and uninterruptedly since then. I have realized that I am merely an instrument in Baba's hands. Baba guides every aspect of this channel, from selecting topics to creating content. He often inspires me through dreams, sacred texts, or others. One such instance occurred when I announced I would release shorts on Baba's teachings shared with Dr. Khammampati Parvati Kumarji in a vision. Though months passed without progress, Baba gave me a clear sign to start releasing the shorts on November 1st, 2023. Later, I realized this was the anniversary of Dr. Parvati Kumarji, a divine plan orchestrated by Baba. Similarly, I struggled to find anything meaningful when searching for suitable content for a Makar Sankranti episode. After praying to Baba, I unexpectedly received a call from a vegetable supplier, a young Muslim man. He had overheard me recording for the channel and asked if I needed help. To my amazement, he provided the perfect content for the episode in both English and Hindi. This was yet another miracle of Baba, reminding me that he can work through anyone at any time to guide his devotees. There have also been instances where I could not complete an episode due to other commitments, yet Baba ensured it was finished perfectly in time for upload. Every time when I face an obstacle, Baba steps in with his divine grace, resolving the issue miraculously. This channel is not mine, it is Baba's channel. I am merely a tool through which he delivers his teachings and blessings to all devotees. From selecting topics to finalizing and uploading episodes, Baba guides and blesses it every step. I humbly request all devotees to share this channel with others so that more people can experience Baba's teachings and blessings. Let us spread his love, wisdom, and grace to all. May Baba continue to guide and bless us all in every aspect of our lives. We'll meet in the next episode with another miraculous blessing of Baba. Om Sai Ram.